All right, what's going on, my beautiful people? Richard Harrison here. In this video, I want to talk to you about Legendary Marketer, which I found out today that they are closing down their program, ending a 9-year run. And I also want to share with you, if you are looking, a Legendary Marketer affiliate and you're looking for an affiliate program to join, then I want to invite you to take a look at the Triple Residual Income System, which is also known as the Turnkey residual income system as well. But what I want to do in this video is actually show you what I discovered today on Facebook. And whenever a business or an affiliate program or a network marketing program goes down, the news is going to hit Facebook hard, and it's also going to be put here on YouTube as well. But I kind of wanted to give you an idea of what's going on with it. I'm going to take you to their Facebook page, and then I'm going to show you a Google Doc that Dave Sharp also put out, to the affiliates. And I understand that there were a lot of affiliates that promoting this. They have been around since 2017 up until now, but they are shutting down. So let's go ahead on and see what's going on with this. So this is the Legendary Marketers page. Okay, so we have over 161,000 followers on this page, or maybe this is not his. Yeah, this is his page anyway. Here's the post that Legendary Marketer is closing, ending our 9-year run. Full details in the comments, and the guy has over 81 comments right now. If we look at some of the comments, this is the Google Doc that he actually posted here. People here are commenting, some good, some bad. I'm not going to read them all. You can go and read that for yourself. But the truth is that it's shutting down. And, I feel bad for the affiliates in here, because I've had this happen to me before. I was with a company, for about 5 years promoting their products, love the products, love the service and things. And then the next thing you know, things started to change, and then the affiliate program was gone. So I know how it feels to have, something that's helping you with your livelihood, or make money on the internet, just suddenly disappear as if Thanos snapped his finger and boom, you started disintegrating and you was gone. And this is it's happening right now with Legendary Marketer, and this is not the only company that it has happened to in 2025. I can't think of the company, but another big time affiliate marketing company shut down, and affiliates were without income. And the thing about it, let's keep it real, most of the people that you see in here who are top affiliates with Legendary Marketer, they are not going to suffer much. They're going to get their last, the last of their affiliate commission. But here's the thing, because they have a following, they are going to be able to take that following with them into another opportunity that's just as good as Legendary Marketer or Legendary Marketer alternative. So that's what you see, that's what's going to happen here. I know people like Brian Brewer, I know he's the big time Legendary Marketer. He's been with them for a long time. I saw a lot of his, content. And so he has a following. And so what's going to happen, he's probably going to put out some content about Legendary Marketer clothing and what he's going to do next. Okay. And then the people that are with him are going to follow him into whatever it is that he does next, because they know, like, and trust him. And the same with a lot of the other people inside of here as well. So if we come over here and we look inside of the Google Doc, Legendary Marketer is ending this 9-year run. There's an old song I grew up hearing because my mom and Aunt Mimi, R.I.P., love Kenny Rogers, and you got to know when to hold them and know when to fold them. So they are actually closing down, and you can, go to the Facebook group or whatever page and find this doc in order to read it to see what's going on. But since 2017, Legendary Marketers helped thousands of people learn skills, start businesses, create income during uncertain years in the world. I'm incredibly proud of what we built together. Grateful for everyone who has been a part of it. We are now going to close the chapter cleanly and responsibly. Okay, so you can read this right here. They're going to have their last meeting February the 18th at 10 a.m. on their Facebook page. And I think if you click here, it's going to come here. I'm not in that page, but yeah, that's the page I'm on right now. So just wanted to make sure I was on the same thing. They're also going to hold a final implementation day this week, February the 20th. So you can register here. If you're a Legendary Marketer affiliate, you can register there. And we're making a special spin-off, extra training bonuses. We would love to see you there. And if you're a customer, you have courses in there. Of course, you can access your customer. The final date to access those will be March the 31st. So they're giving you an entire month to get your courses, download them so you can have them, which is a good thing. Some affiliate program just shut down without notice and you can't get anything out of there. But Legendary Marketer is not doing that. The affiliate timeline is commissions earning February 28th at 11:59 p.m. Affiliate links are disabled March 1st. Final commission payout the last Friday of March. Affiliate program closes March 31st. Payments and withdrawal, all of that right here is in here. They have 30 days to withdraw their funds before the final payout. I'm assuming that if you don't get your funds, then you will lose those. Okay, so you got to have $100 million payout. And all reserve will be released on the payout after March 31st. Wallet and access will be closed. All your tax information. What should you do? Customers log into your Legendary back office, download your course and material. Affiliates log into your iPayout and withdraw your funds before the 31st. This has been an incredible run. Many business, friendship, life changes started here. Ending something well matters just as well as starting. Our goal is to close this the right way with clarity, respect for everyone involved. He hopes to see you Wednesday. Dave Sharp. So Legendary Marketer will be closing down officially on March the 31st. So no new affiliates will be able to join. As I said before, people who are already in this group, over 161,000 followers in here. I don't know how many exact members or whatever, but however many in here, they're going to have a following. They have brought people and shared this information with people. And so they are going to actually, do it the right way. They're going to miss this income, but they can join another affiliate opportunity to earn income. And if I come over here to Facebook, you'll see that there are people posting about it here. You have some people that's going to post about it. This thread is probably going to be full of people talking about it for long and things like that. I will not be posting anything on Facebook, but I will kind of mention it here. But things happen, business happen. The owners have to make a decision whether or not to keep the business open. That's whether it's online or offline. So it really, that's totally up to the owner. Maybe he's deciding to do something else. They will find that out. I'm not a member of it, so I really don't know. But anyway, if you're looking for the best Legendary Marketer alternative, I want to introduce you to the Home Business Academy. We have what is called the turnkey system. I like to call it the triple residual income system that you can tap into, where we give you a fully done for you system that's going to help you earn residual income. And I'm going to show you that in a minute. So if you come down through here, you see I've earned a residual income here. I can come over to the next page and just go up. You see making a sale 16 hours ago. So earning residual income. So it does work, but you have to put in the work. I mean, just like with Legendary Marketer, you have to put in the work just like you do with anything else. Okay. So what we give you is actually a turnkey system. You're going to get a page that looks just like this. Okay. So it's done for you. And you're also going to get a page that looks like this as well, that gives all of the information that if someone comes over here, they ask questions, they can click on Sage and she'll answer the question for them. Everything that you need is done down through here. We're almost at $7 million of commissions paid out. Everything is on this page, and you can get started with this today. If I can come down here, make sure that you see my image on the page. You can get started for $35 today by clicking there, coming over here and filling out this information here. Okay. And if you're in Legendary Marketing, you're looking for another residual income, hey, I want to invite you to join me in the Home Business Academy. Okay, so you're going to get that. Also, if I come back over here and if I come down to affiliate links, this is where all your affiliate links are going to be located. You're going to have the residual page, the residual short income shortcut book. If I copy this link and open up a new tab and we paste that in there, this is what you're going to receive in your email once you fill out this page right here. Okay, so you're going to get this page, this information, this PDF that you can read and start going through and see how affiliate marketing works and how the Home Business Academy can help you earn residual income with that. And also inside of here, you know, you have the Let's Go app, a personal development app that you're going to get access to. We have a funnel builder that's $25 a month with all of the training over here that you get access to. We have premium traffic training that you're going to get access to, along with some premium AI tool, Prompt Write AI. If I go back to premium, you're going to be able to do image generator. You see I have some images over here that I have done. If I come back again, you're also going to have smart posts. And this is something where you can create a short video and post it to different platforms. We have a Financial Literacy Academy that's going to help you with debt elimination, financial literacy, reducing your taxes, all that. The affiliate section where you're going to, once you get your link, watch this video and it's going to take you through the entire process. So marketing materials to help you get going right here as well. Down here, your turnkey system is ready. You'll be able to see your leads. You can download your leads. And if you want, if you come back over here to up under the affiliate section where we're at, we have what is called Domain Scout. Now, what this does, this actually finds domains according to your name that you can purchase. And once you purchase a domain, this domain is automatically set up in your hosting account with the DKIM, the DMARC, the SPF record. All of that is done. And then even if you want to purchase a professional email, you can do that as well. We have training tutorial video to show you how to do a domain, transferring the domain, and setting up the emails. All of that is in there for you as well. We also have live coaching, the Monday night through Friday night calls. I have been invited on these calls. Other people are invited on these calls. This is a Grow Rich Mastermind. This happens every morning. The Monday night What's Working Now Mastermind. Like I said, I've been on these, the last Monday guest presentation, daily coaching, all of that right there over the shoulder. Traffic and training conversion. Traffic and conversion over the shoulder with 6 and 7 figure mentors. Right here, Funnel Builder Friday. Annual live in person, none of it. So you get access to everything you have inside of here, and you want to come to the Freedom Fest, you can do that as well. What you're going to be earning, if I come back to this page right here, is you can earn triple residual income, which means you can earn up to $128 per month per person, as long as they remain a member. And if they have all the products, you earn on all the products. And come back up here and just kind of see what the residual income projection looks like. So you can choose, if you get 10 people, that's $1,280 a month, minus your whatever the fee that you're investing, monthly. So it's going to give you $1,120 per month in residual income. So if you're ready to get started, go ahead on, click the link in the description. Click the link in the description, get signed up. I want to, send my sincere thoughts out to those in Legendary Marketer. I'm pretty sure it was a good program, a great program, but sometimes decision just has to be made, what's best for the company and things like that. So with that being said, click the link in the description, go ahead on and get started. I look forward to working with you. I want you to have a great day today and a better day tomorrow. Peace.